There's Aunt Megan. Oh, hey, I told you no about those shoes. I told you no. I mean no. Hey. Now what you gonna do? You gonna climb on the box some more? Climb on the box some more? There's the cabinet. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, he's sitting there looking at something.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Not me.
Where you going? Where you going now? Oh.
Okay.
I'm just into everything. Everything. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's cute. Oh, boom. Oh. Oh no. That moved, didn't it?
Have you talked to Greg lately?
That moved. No.
Can you text him and see if he's